Everybody, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today, I'll be reviewing the GoPro 7 Silver in 2022. It's 2021, it's the 29th right now, but I don't think I'll actually be uploading it in the next 2 days. So, this is a review for 2022. It should be my first review of 2022. This is this is one of the only shots, besides for B-roll, that will be on my iPhone XS Max right here. Besides for maybe some comparisons, I'm gonna switch over to this right now. This is the GoPro now. Well, yeah, I hope it looks good. I do know that it shows a lot more on my wall over here than I want it to, because it's an ultra-wide camera, which is really nice since my XS Max does not have an ultra-wide. But I will be getting a new phone at the end of the year, so maybe this will be something I don't usually need anymore, except for I don't really want to take my GoPro skiing to, my phone to ski. That's something for my GoPro, which we're going to do here in a minute. So, this does not do 4K 30. This is 4K right now, but it only is 4K 30. It can't do 4K 60, which my phone can, but I think I would rather have an ultra-wide than 4K 60, to be honest. I don't really care about how smooth it is. At that point, I'll just do 1080p 60 if I really want it that fast, because I'm a storage bug and I don't like using a lot of storage. And besides, on YouTube compression, it doesn't even look like this perfect 4K right now, I'm sure. But we are gonna go skiing here in a minute, so I'm gonna do some jumps, right? Yeah, I'm gonna be the best skier you've ever seen. So let's start recording my skiing. This is 1080p 30 on both of them. Just look around as the snow is glowing. What one do you think is better? iPhone XS is on the left and the GoPro is on the right. I just want you to tell me what one's better. Now we can actually go skiing now, I think. Hello, everybody. This is me skiing. I don't know how much talking I'll be able to do, because it's kind of weird to just talk when I'm just looking like there. Okay, so I'm gonna have lunch and then I'll start actually recording the ski stuff. I'm sure you guys want to see me crashing, so, well, here you go. Okay. Oh! So, this is how it ends. About this GoPro, after the footage you saw, and the price you're gonna get for it, I don't think so. I got mine for $250, which I think is not really a great deal considering it can't do 4K 60. My phone obviously did better according to my Instagram poll, and it has like iPhone iMovies, and I'm sure you could do the GoPro and import it over to iMovie like I am, but like it has 4K 60, I guess it doesn't have cinematic mode, but overall the iPhone's camera just looks better than the GoPro's. So if you get a black Hero 7 under 250, I would say that's a great deal and you should go for it, especially if it's less than 200. But I don't see it being that well. I mean, the silver one here obviously wait a minute. The silver one obviously, especially now because it's like the budget one of model that came out 3.5 years ago. It's like buying the 10R today. Well, most people would say the 10R is a good buy. It depends on the price. I don't really think the 10R is a great idea. The 11 is just so much better. But back on to the GoPro. The Hero 7 Silver was doomed from the start. It wasn't much better than the Hero 6 Black, or even the Hero 6 Silver for that matter. The Hero 7 would be the last time that colors came with different features. Now they just make the older model a little bit cheaper like iPhones do nowadays. Is it worth it? It's mostly up to you, but in most cases my iPhone XS from the same year did better. If you really need an extra camera and you don't want to risk your phone, buy the Hero 6 Black so you can have 4K 60, or just use a white 7 because you obviously don't care and it's going to be cheaper. Now those of you already set on buying one of these, obviously the black's going to be the best because it will have most features. White will be easily the best just because it's going to be the cheapest and it gives you the most value. Silver, not so much. The silver and white models come with USB-C and a micro SD card slot, while the black model comes with micro HDMI port, which in 2018, I don't even know who used that. So let alone in 2022, I don't think anybody's going to be using that. I think that about wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do you guys own a GoPro 7? Do you own any GoPro? Comment below. I'm going to show some more shots I got on the GoPro while the past few weeks. This video was a lot of work, and I think you can tell because I never take this long to make videos. So here's some fun other stuff I made with the GoPro. What's that? Children singing. That's what they say when we're together. Too late! Oh my gosh, this is terrible! Ah! Ah! Look out, Blake, look out! Where'd the camera go? Oh, it's still recording. Oh!